In this video, we'll show you how to replace the print head in your printer. With the printer powered on, begin by opening the front tray of the printer. Next, open the top cover. The ink carriage will automatically move to the replacement position. Raise the print head lock lever. Be careful never to touch the contacts on the print head. Open the new print head, being careful not to touch the sensor or the contacts. Place the new print head in the printer at an angle until it slides into position. Close the ink carriage cover. The new print head is now installed. Please visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.